Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about what's the best plan for you if you buy Spotify premium in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends, and how you can purchase it. So first you have this application. This is the Spotify application. You have to simply download it from the Play Store application. I have logged in with my Gmail ID. You can see here it is. Now at the right bottom corner you will see premium. You have to simply select on here. So you will see get 12 months of premium standard at 800 rupees. So this is the standard. Let's scroll down. So you will see all the benefits why join premium standard. So you will get ad free music, play song in any order, very high quality audio, watch videos with fewer ads, listen with friends in real time. So there are one more is that is standard 139 for 2 month, and then 139 per month after, means 2 months you have to pay 139. After that you have to pay 139 for 1 month, and that is you can choose automatic pay or one time payment. So this is 300 per month. So you will get all the benefits of this. This is student 69 for 2 months. After that 69 for per month after that. So if you want this, try 2 months for 69 rupees. You have your own student ID. You have to put it in this. You can just click on 69 on this, get YouTube premium. So this is the Spotify, sorry. You have to click on here. So you have to click on this continue, and here you have to verify your educational institute, your name, your last name, your birth, email address, and verify my student status. So just you need this education institute, and then you have to pay the amount and you can enjoy 2 months. After that you have to pay 69 per month. So that's how you can purchase it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.